information online. Through webcast application, instructors are able to select the information considering their students' cognitive capacity and linguistic ability. Through this guided learning environment on the web by teachers, the danger of students losing the point of the task and their motivation caused by working beyond their cognitive and linguistic ability can be reduced. Accordingly, the aim of this study is to examine whether using webcasts helps students in a homogeneous cultural environment to understand the various cultural contexts and improve their general intercultural competence. The following research questions were proposed as the basis for this study. So this study was carried out in elective undergraduate communication studies seminar course at Hosei University, Tokyo, in Japan. The aim of the course are to enable students to be aware of and respect cultural diversity through exploring various cultural contexts and theories, and eventually to apply the knowledge learned in class into their intercultural experience. There were 32 students in the seminar. Although the class was conducted in English, it is not foreign language course. The students were of intermediate to advanced level of English, and important concepts of the lessons were presented and explained in both Japanese and English. All students who were enrolled in the course completed the GENE, Generalized Ethnocentrism Scale Questionnaire, to measure their ethnocentrism. They complete the same questionnaire on the first day and the last day of class during the course. Measuring students' ethnocentrism can reveal their degree of openness and the flexibility toward other cultures. To foster students' intercultural concepts effectively using a web-based task, the course was designed in four stages. First, lectures. Second, completion of web-based tasks. Third, class